What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be practice firing some of our duty assigned weapons. We're going to practice a little bit with our patrol rifle, the AR-15. We will also be firing our duty handguns, Glock Model 22, 40 caliber pistol. Fire! Good shots. These are triple retention holsters. Yep. It takes 3 steps to get the weapon out of this holster. And if you don't practice, you forget. Reason that we do failure drills, in case you have a suspect who you don't know, but they may be wearing body armor. 1 or 2 pistol rounds may not stop that threat. If you realize that that center mass shot just is not slowing the threat down, that's when you would go out and take the headshot. A lot of times when you come out, as tempting as it can be to want to show off, you need to practice. This is serious business. This training can save your life.